Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around this Keeway RKC 125. As you can see, it comes with luggage and a cup holder, and you've got your L plates on the front and the back as well. So you've got another little toolbox up the front, nice little extra there. So we'll just start down here at the forks and we'll do a full walk around of the bike. Forks and alloys. Everything here is looking good. Tyres have still got plenty of tread left on them. Got the nice crash bars here. As I say, the L plate's already fitted. Bike's in very good condition. Got the luggage here, a wee padlock on it as well. Nice little container should you wish to carry a little bottle of something. Again, L plate in the rear. Chain and sprockets looking good. Yeah, decent little bike here. Comes with 2 keys and a full service history as well. Let me get it started up and you can hear how she sounds. I'll just let the bike warm up for a minute. Whilst I do that, I'll just confirm everything else works. So we'll start with the indicators here. See them working. Very bright day at the minute, so got your standard running light and your full beam there as well. Horn works. I've got a few revs for you. You can hear the sounds. That's the mileage there. 667 miles on the clock. Any questions you've got about the bike, please let me know. Cheers.